coming to the next topic, that is page replacement. Okay, because we know that we are going to swap the page from disk space or from the virtual memory to the main memory as per the requirement according to the demand paging topic. In the last video we have seen demand paging, so the pages will be loaded whenever they are required. Okay, from disk space to the main memory. Okay, because the part of the disk space we have considered it as a virtual memory. So basically what we can say, as according to the requirement, and when the requirement will come, so we can swap the pages we can shift the pages from virtual memory to the main memory. Okay, and when they are not required, we will swap out. Okay, we will swap out those pages from main memory to the disk page. Okay, in this way the multi-programming, the potential of multi-programming will get increased. Okay, so in order to realize the full potential of multi-programming system, it is essential to interleave the execution of more program. Okay, so if we use the demand paging, then with use of demand paging, more number of programs can be executed. Okay, and in this way the potential of multi-programming will also get increased. Okay, the degree of multi-programming, what we can say. Okay, so we use a two-level memory hierarchy consisting of a faster but costlier than the main memory and slower but cheaper than the secondary memory. So virtual memory system use the hierarchy to bring part of the program into main memory. Okay, that we have already seen in the demand paging. Okay, so pages are brought into the main memory. The pages are brought into main memory from the virtual memory only when the executing process demand it. Okay, that's called the demand paging. Okay, we have one more term, that is the page fault, that we left at that time. Page fault. Now what is page fault? Page fault is said to occur when a requested page it is not present in the main memory, Okay, the system has execution system has demanded a page, but it was not present in the main memory. So at that time the page fault will occur. Okay, obviously we have to shift that particular page, and we have to on demand we have to shift that page from virtual memory to the main memory. That is the thing we will do later, but before the page fault will occur because it was not present in the main memory. Okay, so on the demand of the process, we will bring that page from virtual memory to the main memory. Okay, and it needs to be brought from the secondary memory. Okay, and it need to be brought from secondary memory. We can say secondary memory. Okay, so in such a case an existing page needs to be discarded. Okay, now we are telling that we need to bring the requested page from the secondary memory. We need to bring the page from the secondary memory to the main memory. Okay, so when we bring the page from secondary memory to the main memory, then the existing page, what about the existing page? Okay, what about the existing page? So what we need to do, the existing page need to be discarded. The existing page needs to be discarded. Okay, if we discard the existing page, then which page to be discarded? Because we have number of pages present in the main memory. Okay, the question is that we have number of pages in main memory. So which one to discard? So that is a question in front of us, that which page is to be discarded. The selection of such a page is performed by page replacement algorithm. Okay, so selection of page to be discarded is performed by page replacement algorithm. Okay, page replacement algorithm. Okay, and what does the page replace, and what are the different page replacement algorithm? They are FIFO, that is first in first out. Okay, then second is will give the name FIFO, that is first in first out. Second is the LRU, that is least recently used, and the third algorithm is optimal algorithm. Okay, so these page replacement algorithm which try to minimize the page fault rate at the least overhead. Okay, from these page replacement algorithm we are going to minimize the page fault rate. Okay, so this is all about the page replacement. Okay, so in the next video we will see about the different page replacement algorithm and how it works. Okay, we'll see all those things. Thank you so much.